So our topic is the role of government in the economy. In this, we need to talk about what are the role of the government in as a centralized sector for the total growth of the economy. What are the contributions they are providing to the people? Because first of all, we should know that the government as a whole will be giving role not as a single individual or the party, but it providing its role as an intermediary through different types of functions. Then the role of the government, we can see that the four angles, that is to strengthen the institution. If there are institutions, we know that the government is functioning through different institutions, and first role is to strengthen the institution, and second is to promote the economic efficiency and growth. Next is for fair distribution of income through taxation and to provide generous social security system and an egalitarian society. All these four terms are very familiar for us, and through these four terms the government made as a role from themselves. Then the functions of the government, we know that there are three functions: allocation function, distribution and stabilization function, and we should analyze all these functions separately. First one is allocation function. The government provides certain public goods and services which the private sector fails to provide. പ്രൈവറ്റ് സെക്ടർ കൊടുക്കാൻ പറ്റാത്ത പല സ്ഥലങ്ങളിലും പബ്ലിക് സെക്ടറാണ് റോള് കൃത്യമായിട്ടുള്ളൊരു റോള് like take as a responsibility. Example, national defense, public parks and national highways, etc. Because goods are divided into two sects, that is public good and private good. Public good is entirely by the public sector, that is for the benefit or the welfare of the public as a whole without any kind of paid money by the public. But private goods are the goods which can be experienced and utilized by the private individual, and these individuals at the same time can be utilized their benefits by making payment to the government. I have given all this distinction between this private good and public good in detail in notes. And next is the distribution function. Though they are allocation function, we know that there are distribution function. The government through its taxes and expenditure policies attempt to bring out income distribution in the society. The government transfer payments from one citizen to another through taxation policy. We know that the taxation policy has a very good role to play in the government sector, because when government takes the taxes from individual, they will be distributing these taxes for the interest of the poor people and rich people and the middle classes also. I've given all this in detail, and this is all about the distribution function. Next is the stabilization function. All government may have stabilization needed. All government may need stabilization for their proper functioning, because we know that our government during this time is not in a stabilized way. We have a lot of instability in our government system, and what government will do is that government will take steps to make or stabilize the economy through different levels of experiences. And these are the some types of different stages of the government. That is a crisis. Government fiscal packages will be there to overcome this crisis. Then aggregate demand will increases, and automatically the income increases in the economy. Then all the situations, government has a good role to play in the economic structure, and these are the different phases of the economy in which we are facing. These all are about the functions of the government. Apart from these functions, we know that the government has a good role to play as an intermediaries to control the money supply in the economy also. Thank you.